Unveiling the truth. Understanding, exposing the truth. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in news, stories, and discussions. Exposing the truth. Understanding this expression can unlock deeper layers of meaning in what you read and hear. Let's explore together what it means to expose the truth and why it's a powerful concept in both language and life. Exposing the truth refers to the act of revealing facts or realities that have been hidden, obscured, or unknown to the public or certain individuals. It's about bringing to light information that has been kept in the dark, often to correct misconceptions, challenge lies, or provide clarity. When someone exposes the truth, they are acting as a beacon, illuminating the hidden parts of a story or situation. Exposing the truth is crucial for several reasons. It promotes transparency and honesty, which are foundational for trust in relationships, governance, and media. It also plays a key role in justice, as exposing the truth can right wrongs and hold individuals or institutions accountable for their actions. Furthermore, it empowers people by giving them the information they need to make informed decisions. This phrase can be used in various contexts. News and journalism. The investigative report is credited with exposing the truth about the company's illegal activities. Personal relationships. In their argument, Alex was determined to expose the truth about the misunderstanding that had caused so much tension. Academic and professional settings. Her research exposed the truth about the outdated practices that were still being used, leading to significant changes. Exposing the truth adds a layer of seriousness and urgency to your conversation, indicating that the information being discussed is crucial and potentially game-changing. Many works of literature and media projects focus on the theme of exposing the truth. These stories often involve a protagonist who discovers a hidden truth and takes on the challenge of bringing it to light, facing various obstacles along the way. Such narratives are compelling because they resonate with the universal value of truth and the human desire for justice and understanding. We hope this video has shed light on the powerful phrase, exposing the truth, and its significance in language, communication, and society. By understanding and using this expression, you can enhance your English skills and appreciate the depth of conversations and texts you encounter. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language together. Stay curious, and keep learning.